So, hello, good morning. Here's another weekly video, day in the life, or week in the life. And so, this week it's half term. Well, today's the last day of my son at school, and he's off for a week. I'm not sure how much I will film of it, but we'll see how we go. And I uploaded I've still got my weekend in life to upload. I did because we went to the Ninja Warrior Adventure Park and then went to music festival in Wimbledon, which I filmed. So I've got that to go up. But if you'd like to check out my last weekly vlogs I did, because I had to break up 2 parts, then check it out. I'll link it below. But today, I'm feeling good. I've got this new top on. As you can see, I'll show you. It's from Sainsbury's. This is a top here that I'm wearing. There's a bit of gap in there, which is annoying. But I really like it. I bought it was only 12 quid from Sainsbury's, and nice and cool, fits really well. And yeah, so I want to show you that. So I'm on my son's bed this morning, and did a bit of a tidy up, and I'm just watching a video and working on a blog post. So here that I'm working on. I've had my breakfast, Cheerios, and so yeah, so I've just got that sorted out. I'm thinking of doing a printable as well for my parenting blog that I write, called the Parenting Richard, tipsandtricks.com. So check that out. And yeah, so I don't know what we plan to do with that whole weekend. I'm sure we'll do something, but I will take you with me. And like I say, I'm going to split this video as well into 3 different parts, but I'll see how much I can film. And then yeah, thanks for watching in advance. And yeah, gonna get on with a few more bits, and then I'll make myself a coffee the first one of the day. I've been getting up quite early and now about 7:15. About 7:15 I've been getting up now, and it feels good actually. I went to bed early last night, and I do feel good that I've sort of developed this different routine. It's amazing how routines change, but we can work out for the better. So yeah. Anyway, so I'm going to crack on and take you through my week. So I've just finished another blog post on my blog site, Everyone Can Build a Castle, and it's all about not allowing bad actions, habits, or being unkind, stop you from following your dreams, and so check that out. And I now want to write on this blog. This is one of my Google Blogspot sites that I write, and I've also been doing some more of my book. Yeah, productive. I've had my first cup of coffee of the day, and yeah, so let's see. I've been watching YouTube in between. I've been doing some plotting and going through my plans for today, and make sure I get everything done. So yeah, that's what I've done so far, and I'll be going out around about 1:30 for my son up from school and getting the train back. So I don't know if I'll take you with me on that, but I'll see. Because they're just getting back, and he wanted to go and see a cat that we know locally. So I don't know if we'll do that, or she'll be out. She wasn't out yesterday. But yeah, so that's what I've been up to so far. So I've just done a bit of a course that I've enrolled in, which is a life coaching course with Of Course, they're called, the company, and I will link them below. And I do some brilliant courses. I'm not sponsored by them or anything like that. I just like the courses, and they often do special offers courses, and they're really good to do. So I did another course with them. I can't remember what it was. I look on my account with them to remind myself which ones they were, but they do some really good courses, and so I'm doing that. And it's only 10 past 10, so I'm doing really well, catching up on things and getting stuff done that I had on my list. And so yeah, so I don't know if I'm gonna take a break now, but I'll take a break and do some more, and then I'm filming. I want to film another video for my life coaching program, but I'll see how everything's going. So, but that's what I'm doing at the minute, and yeah, see what else I can get done. So I didn't take you with me when I went to pick up my son from school, because because of I knew I'd have to carry a lot of stuff back with me because he's staying now. It's half term, and so he's meeting with me majority of the week. So and it was quite busy on the way back to where we are now, Wimbledon, and from his school, and so it's the evening now. We had a nice dinner, spaghetti bolognese, and made by my stepdad, and Henry's got gonna have his own laptop, which my mum got for him. So and it's not going to be on their parent needs to say. It's so we could do educational games and stuff like that on his laptop. Obviously there'll be parental control on it, but yeah, so we're trying to set that up, and we'll try and continue that tomorrow. We plan on going for a long walk tomorrow in the morning, so I'll take you with me then. And yeah, look forward to the weekend and see what we can, where we can have lots of fun. So I'll continue to do this video, and yeah, I'll bid you good night. So it is Saturday, the 27th today, if I got that right, and we're out. We're just going for a Saturday walk that we like to do. Normally it's only scooter, but we don't want to be scooters today, so we're just going outdoors. He's got a swim lesson in this afternoon, and then I don't know what we're going to do for the rest of the day, but I think we have a few plans. But we're just going to, I don't fancy going too far today, and I'm not feeling that great. My hay fever getting to me a bit, so I don't know how long we'll be out, but how much we'll do today. I'm just going to go with the flow, I think. So yeah, so let me check the day on my phone, what date it is, to clarify. Oh, but I didn't pick up my phone. I won't be out for long. Anyway, I forgot to pick up my phone. Shall I go and get it? Henry? Henry, don't be nosy. Oh, come on. We won't be out for long anyway. Anyway. Yeah, so it's the, hang on, let me work out. The 26th was yesterday, so it's the 27th. So yeah, that's what we're doing now, and see what the rest of the day takes us. So we're just having a coffee. Well, we normally he's having half a chocolate twist. He's got a cup of milk. I don't do too much. He's got his swimming later, and I've got latte. So yeah. So we've just been out in the garden playground, and played a bit of football and practicing taking penalties. Me as the goalie as always. And then played a crossbar challenge. But we're back in now and he's just getting himself ready for swimming. And I thought I'd show you what I'm wearing today if you're interested. So I've got this top. I bought these both came from TU Sainsbury's because I do some brilliant gear. I've had this quite a while and it's one of my favourite outfits, and I've got socks to match. You can see that, and my trainers also from TU Sainsbury's, and I always wear them because I don't care if they get ruined. They're only 16 quid, and have done me well. And I love wearing them. So yeah, that's what I'm wearing today. So we're going to show you this one. I can't film that because they're children. But we plan on going for another walk to go through another park called Garfield Park, and then come back, watch some learning, and you can pick up these brilliant books for kids. This, and so we'll do some of that later. And you can get these books. I don't know where this one came from. I think it might be Smith's or with the wax, but they are good investment. You've got children and you want them to do some better learning whilst on half term. So we've just done the swimming lesson. Come back now. Henry doesn't really want to do the walk at Garfield Park, but I really do. So going to Timberfield after we've had lunch. But yeah, it was good. Some things you can get the grips of, but it's about learning, isn't it, and progress. So he's getting there, and then we're going to head off back. So yeah, it's a lovely day though. So it's nice to be out in the sun, but see how it goes. Here's the Wonder River. It's nice, isn't it? I love walking along here. It's so quiet and therapeutic. Just the walk and do also part of the trains. So it's just stop walking on here because it is therapeutic. A few times where there's been issues with cyclists because lots of them don't have a bell so that you know they're behind you, or not move to one side, thinking up their own road. But today, so far, it's been really pleasant, and it is a nice walk, and you can go further on. We'll just probably go as far as that road, but to Pound Lane. Plough. Oh. Don't think of the name of the road now. But it's where AFC Morden play. Plough Lane, that's it. That's where it is heads to, and then we'll go back into home. Probably do another walk tomorrow. Maybe do the same way, but it is a good walk to do. It builds up steps, and this morning I did some walking and I forgot to check the phone. So I've actually probably done quite a bit today, you know, in counting. But there's always tomorrow. Well, not always tomorrow, but hopefully it'll be tomorrow. You never know. And do some more walking. It's so good for you, and I like it. And I do like running, but it's not about walking. It just helps. It just, you can do it in your own time. You know, wherever you like. It's free. You're not pushing yourself too hard, but just enough to enjoy nature and just have that peace and quiet time. Mm-hmm.
This is written back as trainers for Lantern Waterloo. Next station is River.
So, where are we, Henry?
Garfield Park.
No, but we're near Wander River, aren't we? And what have we seen? So what's that hotel called?
A Bag Hotel.
Yes, I put there for all the bugs. So they have somewhere to go and nest. So, yeah, if you see one, you know, you can see somebody will contributed to it. And we need to look after nature. And it's so magical to see nature at its best right now. I'm recording, I was playing Snakes and Ladders. No, look at that. Which colour do you want to be?
I just want to be yellow.
That's yellow. And I want to be red.
And there's 10, isn't there?
No, that is 10, yes. Okay, so we start then.
Yeah, I start.
Right.
I
No.
start from 1.
No. 5.
1.
No,
One,
no,
2, 3.
no, we don't count it like that. No, move the counter. Move the counter along. Move the counter along.
1,
1.
2.
No. Do it again. Move your finger. Along, along, along.
1,
1, yeah.
2,
2,
3, 4, 5.
My turn.
It's 5.
So it's the evening now, and my son's in bed, and I've just been doing a bit of planning, and on my laptop as well, watching a couple of videos on YouTube, and now I'm going to bed, and I will show you my pyjamas. I buy some double from Shein, and they feel really well. I love them, and I fancy getting a couple more sets. From Shein, because it's really good. Just hope they wash well. So, and I've got quite a bit of laundry clothes to sort out. So, yeah, I'm going to sort that out tomorrow. But we are planning on going out somewhere. I think we're going to go Surbiton, walk along by the River Thames for a bit, but and I've got a nice lunch in the park. In the park? So tired. Hopefully we might go for a pub lunch somewhere. So, but it's a good day today. It's good to go for a little walks, and I will see you tomorrow. What do you want for breakfast? So I just met a nice lady who is come down to London just for a night, and then she's going to Coventry. It's amazing how people can do that. I don't know if I ever get to do that. I admire people that do that, just on their own, travelling and seeing friends, and it inspires me so much to see people just exploring. That's what I like to do, explore more. So I wonder if I'll ever get the chance. I don't know, but I enjoy these walks. You have to make the most of what you've got, and I'm a believer of that. You never know when life is going to finish for you, so you have to make the most of each day. That's what life's about, And so if you've got a free hour or so, go for a nice walk and get the kids involved, get them on their bikes, get them on their scooters, and just enjoy pacing the pavements, or go running with them on their bikes. Just, spending that time can really make a difference to relationships, to energy, to, keeping fit and healthy. It just has so many positive outcomes. So, if you can walk for yourself fit, then my recommendation, or run, then do so. Because honestly, it is so worth it, in my opinion. So we're on the bus now. It's cheating a bit, but we're heading towards Wimbledon, so we can grab a coffee and then get a few bits from Tesco. And so we can buy a gift and a card for my husband, whose birthday is this week.
Strathern Road.
Find that present and do more today. See what else we can do today. We're just taking a coffee break. And waiting to go to Christmas like over till 10, so we're coming here very busy, one person serving, which is ridiculous. But we've got to serve in the end. So we've got chocolate, he's got some milk, and I've got about time. So I'm going to enjoy this, and I'll go for another walk. So we're on the train, unplanned. We're going to go to London today, which is right. That's what she did, and I don't want to be there before, but I've got one happy fella. I don't know what they will bring, but we'll see.